Did you know that King Narmer, an enigmatic figure in ancient Egyptian history, is often celebrated as one of the most influential pharaohs who laid the foundation for what would become a thriving civilization? As the legendary unifier of Upper and Lower Egypt, Narmer's qualities and achievements not only defined his reign, but also left a lasting legacy that resonates through millennia. Narmer ascended to power during a period marked by regional fragmentation, with Egypt divided into numerous nomadic factions. What set him apart was his extraordinary leadership skills, characterized by a strategic vision and unparalleled diplomatic prowess. Historical accounts suggest that Narmer possessed immense charisma, which allowed him to forge alliances across the divided territories. His acute understanding of military strategy enabled successful campaigns, leading to the unification of the two lands under his rule. A poignant symbol of his achievement is seen in the Narmer Palette, an iconic artifact that depicts Narmer wearing the crowns of Upper and Lower Egypt. This stone palette not only serves as a testament to his accomplishments, but also symbolizes the birth of a centralized state. Through this unification, Narmer established a stable governance structure, fostering economic growth and cultural development. Among Narmer's notable achievements was the establishment of Memphis, strategically located at the apex of the Nile Delta. This newfound capital emerged as a cultural and economic hub, facilitating trade and intercultural exchange. Under Narmer's reign, innovations in architecture, art, and writing flourished, laying down cultural foundations that would be refined by subsequent dynasties. Narmer's reign also marked significant advancements in religious practices and temple constructions that underscored the divine authority of the pharaoh. By intertwining religious imagery with political authority, he ensured the centralization of power, which became a hallmark of Egyptian governance. The legacy of King Narmer endures as he is remembered not only for his exceptional skills as a leader, but also for planting the seeds of a civilization that would prosper for thousands of years. His vision of a unified Egypt paved the way for monumental achievements in art, architecture, and governance that continue to inspire and be explored within the world of Egyptology today.